For one, Presley's been gone all week because she's sick. And for one, Oakley's in another class. Oh, what is that? Yeah, Dad. Dad, hold on, it's about to get bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. Better than we thought it would be. Better than we thought they were going to be. We thought they were going to be bad. They look good when you get nice and close to them. I'm going to ask Daddy if his turned on 85.
Yeah, because that's what my car just said. It said the speed limit was 85.
I don't know how. Mom, do it again. Obviously, that was not the speed limit. Mom, do it again.
Jack said that's not really a speed
Mom,
limit.
do it again.
I can't.
Yes.
Jack, tell her what'll happen if I really do that.
It's saying 55. Okay, thank you. This is not the big road country. We don't. And then he will put you in jail, I hope. And then we won't have a mama. And then we will have to buy a new mama.
I don't think that's the way it works.
Yeah, I think that's the way it works.